Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching manufacturing processes. First of all, bundle of thanks to my subscribers and also who watching my videos. We are observing the needs of our community, so we are approached to a factory where we are manufacturing the weather shield paint with the color of sugar cane. We are giving you a complete details about their ingredients, so watch the video at the end. Thanks everyone. You can see the ingredients are settled to pour into a tank, but there is a most important thing is that to pour chemicals in a sequence. Due to properties of chemicals, we are adding them with defined sequence. Above of all, we are adding water in a tank and dyes, pigments. As you can see, we are starting the machine to mixing. After adding water and dye, we have to pour the A40 chemicals and Polyron plus Benton gel. Now we are adding titanium dioxide with the weight of 25 kg into the tank for pigmentation. Now we have to add talcum powder into the tank with the weight of 60 kg. So after that we have to add CaCO3 powder with the weight of 300 kg. After that add Berol 1.5 kg, and then we can see in the drummy that Tylose mixed with the water and with the weight of 3.3 kg. You can see in that small drum yellowish colored Tylose mixed with the water adding into the tank. So we have to add 1.5 kg ammonia for thickness and add remaining water plus add MEG 8 kg, which we can see in the black drum. So we have to mix the material until we are not seeing the small particles. It may be a 12 to 15 minutes. Now you can check the thickness of paint. Now clean the tank with the water. Add the binder, which is the most important ingredient, which is called acrylic. Weather shield paint strength depends upon acrylic. The weight of acrylic is 130 kg. At the last, we have to add dryers. First, Kathon, which is called Margal, 2 kg weight, which prevent paints from fungus. And second, add 3 kg Taxanol, which give the paint smoothness. At third, add 3 kg kerosene oil. And fourth one is add fragrance with the weight of 1 kg. As you can see, air tightening means exclude air from the paint by adding up the antifoam, which weight is 1 kg. Very last one is to add the Laponent gel, which gives the paint more smoothness. After 5 to 7 minutes, weathersheet paint is ready to use. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.